Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable focus mode on Android and save time and avoid distraction. So we need to click on settings option. You can look for it. And once you click on settings, a window will look like this. And here we are looking for digital well-being and parental controls. Once we click on that, we need to scroll down and here you will find focus. So we will click on focus. Now it says when you need time to focus, you can pause distracting apps and hide their notification. You can set the schedule and you can turn on. Now before selecting, you can simply select the distracting apps and you can once you are done with this, right? Once you are done with this, then you can turn on now and then you can simply turn off. So this is how you can enable, and it is very easy to turn off and turn on the focus mode in Android, on any Android. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.